Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And how pretty is this tote bag by Marc Jacobs? This pink melon multicolor is just so beautiful. And the details of the Marc Jacobs logo on the front in white is a stunning contrast. I also love that the handle is a black and white stripe with the beautiful touch of leather at the top. There's also leather on each of the four corners to protect it and to make it have a nice, luxurious look. It has a zipper in the center, and there's also leather at the end of the zipper. The inside has one single compartment, but there's a zippered pocket that matches the outside color. And the stitching is also so beautiful. It has a slightly darker thread, and it makes such a nice contrast. This Marc Jacobs tote in Melon multicolor is just beautiful. It's a great size, it's comfortable and easy to carry, and I have to say the color just makes me happy and smile. And that's my point of view.